So we'll just jump straight into the video, because the big one that we all want to know what's going on is the SSC Tuatare bid for the world records. That has basically, sounds like it's gone up in smoke at the moment. What's going on? Fair dues to Aaron and Life of Palos for getting out the statement so quickly from Dewetron. He literally just released it. I think he released a video around half an hour ago. You're going to be seeing this video mine the next day, but it does cover basically what they have said in their statement. So I'm just going to try and wrap this up in a nutshell from my make of the statement. Basically, Dewetron, what they're basically saying is their equipment was used, but their staff wasn't there to configure correctly for the world record run. What they're basically saying is they have trained people there, maybe with SSC, how to use the basics of the GPS system on the run and stuff like that. So they are not validating that the numbers are correct. They are not validating that their staff was there to do the run. And basically, even as in the statement, I'll bring it up here for you. It's the second paragraph you want to look at. Basically, North America, blah, 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 several related, non-related YouTube channels basically saying they didn't, right? So what this basically means, from what I can see from this point of view of the way things are going on, is again, I said it in my last video that I just covered yesterday, was the problem for this for SSE is they are trying to sell this car. This is a production car, so this is going for 1.7 million. You have people that want to order it or have it on pre-order, and you've lied about validating the world record speed, an average of 316 miles an hour. That is not good. People are buying this car because if they pull up to a car show and you see a Koenigsegg there and whatever, you have the bragging rights of having the fastest road production car in the world. This does not help. I'm not, bashing SSC or nothing like that, but my question is, who made the call to make this decision on using the GPS system? Who did the recording in the GPS system? Did the top guys know this was actually the way the system was being used? Did they know wasn't going to maybe give a good read? Who made these calls? Because look what's after happening. That's basically, I'm wondering who made all these calls. Going forward, I really hope SSC come out and say, right, look, because they haven't covered themselves in glory here, as Aaron and Life of Palos showed. SSC's statement are saying that Dewetron actually validated it. Dewetron's statement saying they haven't validated it. So who's making these calls on SSC side? Because they're really digging themselves a hole. The only thing I can see happening here is basically, from my point of view, is SSC come out with a clear statement pointing out what happened, what went wrong, or who made these decisions, and do themselves justice and basically do another run. But do another run with Dewetron staff there, the system set up, but not just them. I don't know who did the run for Koenigsegg Agera RS. If somebody knows, comment below. Get those guys in as well. Have two sets of guys that can do the recording there. Get it recorded by a professional, not buddy work. Get it done by somebody who knows what they're doing. Do the world record attempt again and see what numbers you get, because at the moment it's not looking good for SSC, as in just what's been said by Dewetron. And yeah, I just mean, like, it would just be nice to clear it up, because again guys, it's a production car. If you were spending 1.7 million, you want to know what you're getting and what are the official figures. So I want to hear from you guys in the comments below what you think of this whole thing that's going on. It's pretty crazy, but that's just my thoughts and opinions on it. But I'm interested to hear you in the comments below.